Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty everyday look for you guys. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. But this is actually my very first time working with this brand, so thank you guys over at Dorsanee Hair for sending me over this wig unit and also wanting to work together. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys the inside of the wig cap construction. I just think it's important to show just so you know exactly what you're getting with your wig, how many combs, the adjustable straps. It also comes with the detachable adjustable straps as well, and I actually did remove it for this hair video because I normally just don't wear them. I only wear them if the wig unit is glueless, but this one is not. So yeah, let's jump right into these Velcro rollers. That was actually a epic fail, you guys, because what the F was I doing? I don't know. I wasn't thinking. But I tried to do a Velcro set. I'm not going to say it did not completely work. It definitely gave me some volume, you guys, which you guys would see down in the video. But I just wasn't thinking with this. I didn't have any heat to it. I didn't have the hair wet. This was like a freshly air dried wig. I also went in and bleached the knots and plucked as well, you guys. So yeah, it didn't work, but you guys will see down the line. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wig unit, and today I'm actually using the Fantasia Spritz spray. Oh, that's a tongue twister. I'm using the Spritz spray. And I just recommend with this wig unit and this particular lace, I recommend that you guys actually melt your lace with the adhesive glue instead of just the spritz. It looks really good on camera for sure, but I just feel like it looks better in person with it glued. So just keep that in mind. Definitely don't recommend you guys use the spray, and also it doesn't really stick very well anyways. So I don't know where this whole thing came about with this spritz spray with your lace, but I don't think I like it. But anyways, the lace in the wig is actually really beautiful, you guys. I actually think that it came out pretty good. So, and I also did wear about once or twice at this point. I'm like recording this video super late. I've been filmed these videos, but anyways, doesn't matter. So if you guys are wanting to know the specs of this wig unit, I do have a 28-inch wig unit and 250% density, and this is a 13x4 lace closure wig unit, and of course a body wave texture. So if you guys are interested, the links will definitely be down below for you guys. But this is a pretty simple install, you guys. I just think that all you really need is a wand curler, some big wand curls, and you're good to go. I did layer this hair as well. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm taking out these rollers. And I'm just like, wow. Like, did nothing. But it definitely gave me some volume. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this video play out. Thank you guys again at Dorsanee Hair for sending me over this wig unit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.